Let's be honest, most incident response plans sound great on paper. But when a real breach hits, timelines blur, roles get fuzz, and suddenly no one's quite sure who's calling the shots. An incident response plan isn't just a document, it's your playbook for surviving the worst day of your IT career. CloudGuard runs in-person, tailored workshops to help you get incident response ready, no matter where you're starting from. Want to create a plan from scratch? We'll guide your team through the whole thing, step by step. Already have something but unsure if it's airtight? We'll review and amend your existing plan and flag the hidden gaps. Ready to put it to the test? We'll run a tabletop simulation. Think of it as a real-world test for your cyber team. No off-the-shelf templates, no jargon overload. Just sharp, real-world incident response support tailored to your business. Let's make sure your plan actually works before you need it to.